We just arrived at Wat Mangkon MRT Station. We are here in Chinatown, specifically in Yaowarat Road. We're looking for some place to eat, and this is my favorite part, food trip! This place is the famous noodle soup here in Yaowarat, Chinatown. Pabugnaw sa ta. Dessert! For another dessert.
Favorite here, right?
Bun. One bun is 100 baht, so each piece is 25 baht. Guys, late na po. We're eating noodle with roast duck and wonton. Dala yung pechay. So this is Chinatown Yaowarat Road at night time. If you have other concerns, just comment down below or contact us at our Facebook page at the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification for more updates. And also don't forget to give us a thumbs up. See you on our next video!